everyone! I hope you're staying safe and healthy. My name's Gabby and I'm a Spark intern for Discovery Space. As a part of our Spark Showcase this year, I'm going to give you guys a little project that you can do right from your own homes. We're going to be experimenting with the surface tension of water, so stay tuned to learn how to make your own soap-powered boat. Now we're gonna assemble. Start by taking your craft foam and cutting it into the shape of a pentagon. Next, we're gonna take the pentagon we just cut and cut a notch at the bottom. Start by making 2 parallel slits, as so. Then you're gonna cut a line from one slit to the next, so you cut out a shape of a rectangle. It should look like this. Next, you're gonna wanna take your container and fill it with about 1 to 2 inches of water. After that, you're going to want to get your dish soap ready because it's time to experiment. Set your mini boat on the water and cover the end of your toothpick with dish soap. Then dip your toothpick in the middle of the notch you made in your boat and watch it shoot forward. Pretty cool, huh? And this is all possible because of the Marangoni effect. You can learn more about the Marangoni effect from the Khan Academy video that I linked. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.